Do you take complete responsibility for successful trading? For the successful trader knows every action he takes, every decision he makes, and only he is responsible for that action. You will never meet a successful trader who is looking to blame someone else or something else for the consequences of his results. It means it just will not happen. You see, when you accept 100%, no questions asked, responsibility for all your actions, you close the door to excuses behind you. When something goes wrong, instead of looking for someone else to shoulder the blame, you will accept responsibility, note it down, and vow never to repeat it again. Simply, you are willing to. You are willing to accept you are going to make mistakes. But more importantly, you are going to learn and never repeat those mistakes. A vital component of any willing trader. Could you imagine Warren Buffett losing a few million dollars on a share trade and then blaming the general conditions of the market? Or blaming his broker for giving him that advice? No way. Just not going to happen. I will guarantee when top traders takes a loss, the first thing they will ask themselves is, did I follow my rules? If the answer is yes, then they will look at their rules. Is there something that could be changed in their rules to avoid this loss again? Many times, the answer will be a resounding no. On the other hand, if after asking the question, did I follow my rules? If the answer is no, then some deep self explanations will be called for. Why did I fail to follow my rules? How can I stop myself from doing that again? Am I likely to do that again, etc.? But do you notice the wording of the questions? How can I will? How can I will I? What and why did I? I. Here the trader knows he takes total responsibility for every trade and is seeking reassurance that he will not break the rules again. That's an old saying in trading. If you have to ask, you shouldn't be trading. Think about it. If you have a system that you have tested and proven about over the long run that it does outperform the market and it's a system that fits you, why will you ever have to ask for an opinion? What extra will a third party opinion provide apart from confusing you and clouding your opinion? If you are long term trend follower, then why ask a day trader? If you are a value investor, then asking a momentum trader will be a total waste of time. What I am saying is, no two people have the same opinion. Why would you believe someone else over your trading rules? It's a fact of life, and even more so in trading. Most people want to be told what to do rather than acting on their own. Yet, this is a major reason most people fail in the markets. Either accept total responsibility for your trading action or don't trade at all. If your number one rule is to follow your rules, why will you need to ask a guru what they think of your position? If you ever find yourself wanting to ask a third party about your position, do this. Close the position out. Review your plan and rules. Work out why you lack the responsibility to follow that plan. When you are convinced you don't need a third party opinion, start trading again. How can a trader learn to accept total responsibility, have a set of rules, and realize the most important point is trading is following those rules? Once you have a set of firmly established rules, you will find yourself not having to follow outside opinion. In fact, I go to great lengths not to listen to outside opinion. Simply because I know by following my rules, I will be on the right side of the market 95% of the time and I will never miss a big move. Those kind of figures are much better than any outside source can give you. So from today, learn to take total responsibility for all your trading decisions. Strive to develop and then religiously follow a set of trading rules. Knowing it is the importance of following those rules that ultimately determines whether you will win or lose in the long run. If you ever find yourself thinking, they did this or the market caused that loss, change it to, did I follow my rules? If the answer is yes, if the answer is yes, pat yourself on the back as you are on your way to becoming a market winner, one of the minority. If the answer is no, find out why and strive never to repeat this error again. Accept total and utter responsibility for every trade you take from today, and you will be amazed at how easy trading really is. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy, take care, and have a cute smile on your face. Thank you.